everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 7th to the 11th of April 2025 on Monday. Babeyile corners Charles with the tough questions, forcing him to choose between loyalty and self-preservation. Lehasa's uncles are in for a surprise when Pretty takes a bold stand on Tuesday. Lehasa attempts to juggle conflicting desires, but will he be able to have it all? Kwezi finds herself torn between two important men in her life on Wednesday. A chilling confession shed light on an event of the 8th of August 2024. Pretty is having a second thought about hasty decision she made on Thursday. Teflop night of horror unfolds. Nkosi suggests a double date to Kwezi, but the identity of his companion surprises her. Phumulo pleads Lehasa's case to Pretty in a last-ditch effort on Friday. The disappearance of Ivy Homo raises more questions than answers. Pretty makes a choice she has been avoiding, but is she ready for what comes next? Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.